Hello, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you being here. Thank you for clicking on the video. If it's your first time, hope you enjoy yourself. Hit the like button. If it's not your first time, I don't know what else to tell you, man. Please subscribe, please. I'll do something for you. I don't know what you want, what you're into, but I'll do my best. Yeah, Chainsaw Man. So I actually, because I was really excited for this week, I went ahead and read the that one shot that he did. I actually don't know. What's it called? Goodbye, Airy. That shit was insanely good. If you haven't read it, go read it. It's really, really good. It's the way that the ending and the whole plot kind of flow and weave into each other is very neat. It's unique. It's such a fun manga. I recommend it. Very well written. Yeah. This week, Yuko and Asa. That was adorable. I really want to see more of that. I hope Yuko doesn't die. God. I had somebody in my comment, I think it was Lord Chainsaw, I think was the commenter's name, said something about the eyes matching to, what was it? I'd have to go back and read the comment. I apologize, I don't have it right on hand. But it was a really good observation about the eyes of these, because Yuko's eyes and the person who handed out the team's eyes, both of them match a devil hunter, a public safety devil hunter. I think it was a public safety. I don't remember exactly. I'm not trying to butcher this on purpose or claim like I know, but it was really cool. Just goes to show that if that pays off, that just goes to show the level of detail going into this, because it's so well written. That's one of my favorite things about this. Yes, the guts and the chainsaws and all that stuff, but it's so well written and it's fun to read. And Denji's such a good dude. He's horny, but he's a good dude. Anyway, I'm just gonna hop right into it. Yeah. Okay. About yesterday, you can have them back, huh? I said keep them. That's okay. They were a little too small. Oh, too bad. Yeah. Do you want to go into town and look for devils after school today? There will be way more devils in town, guaranteed. We can avoid the jerks at school that way, too. I could be after that. Aw, see? Look, she's trying. Look at that. Look at that. After school devil hunters. I guess Yoshida skipped school today. Is he not serious about joining Devil Hunter Club? Why'd you decide to join? You can earn big paychecks without a college degree. Ah, my parents were killed by a devil too. Yeah, more or less. We're kind of like manga main characters, don't you think? It's a little meta, but you know, I like it. She's pretty adorable, so it's cool. When we become Devil's Hunters, we should partner up as buddies, like two avenging angels of death. She smiles. Fuck. We should kill her. What? No. See? Okay, see? I knew it. I knew it was coming. No. The remains of your kills belong to you. Let's kill Yuko and turn her into a weapon. Wait. The remains of your kills belong to you. Don't be ridiculous. The guiltier... Wait. Don't be ridiculous. To kill a devil, you need a powerful weapon, no? The guiltier you feel about creating a weapon, the more powerful it will be. You like her. She could make a good one. Okay. Luckily, this city has plenty of abandoned buildings. Choose the location wisely, and you can kill her with little risk. Oh, shit. We're just going the fuck in, I guess, huh? There's no way. Are you insane? She's blatantly just talking to herself. This dude's on the streets just like, what the fuck is she doing? You're always jumping to violence. What is the best you come up with? You aren't here to make friends, remember, girl? I have to change the subject. Girl this, girl that. Stop calling me that. I never liked it. Do not change the subject, girl. You are. Asa. A-S-A. You don't call me by my name either. War Devil is just weird and awkward. Oops. War Devil's too difficult to use. YORU. If it serves my quest to kill Chainsaw Man, I'll swallow everything you say. Asa. Thanks, YORU. Oh, man. Can't trust her, man. Trust it. This is just weird. Like, I just have this thought in the back of my mind that she's being... that there's only enough of her personality left to gain the information the War Devil needs. And so, like... I don't know. I mean, it just feels like she's being manipulated. Turn Yuko into a weapon? I don't care about all that disturbing stuff. I haven't had this much fun in forever. I couldn't care less about anything else. Do you know the leading cause of death for Japanese people? About 20 people have currently stopped to listen to me. Out of those 20, only 5 will get to die of old age. Out of the rest, 5 will die of illness, traffic accident, 1 homicide, 1 will commit suicide. The remaining 7 will all be killed by devils. And yet the people walking past, they mistakenly believe. This dude is just preaching the message against devils. I don't know what his plan is. 7 out of every 20 lives are abruptly snuffed out in devil attacks. Oh, fuck. Whoa. Holy shit. Wait, hold the fucking phone here. I repeat. And then this thing is just coming out of fucking nowhere. Oh my god. Make no mistake, mankind is at war with the devils. What is that, a bat devil? Oh, it's... ugh. I have bad news and more bad news. First, we can't beat that bat devil in our current state. And second, I just learned that I can't take over your body when you're stricken with fear. Oh no. Wait, that's gonna come up later. When she's just completely stricken with fear, the War Devil can't take over. I said slowly, you idiot. So that was really good. That was so good. Just normal Chainsaw Man pacing. I'm glad it's back to that where it's dialogue and straight into action. We're starting to get the blood and the guts and all the goodness that is Chainsaw Man. And there's already hints at the pain that is to come with this. The guiltier you feel about making a weapon, the stronger it will be. It's so like it's so Chainsaw Man. I just wish I had better I wish I had a better way to describe the way I'm thinking about this, but it's like it's starting to give, because the animosity you feel. I don't know. Emotions obviously play into the War Devil, and so I'm curious to see where her powers, whatever, what the fuck ever, plays out in the long run. If you haven't liked the video, please, do that thing that I just said to do, if you don't mind. If you have, slap the other button. I would appreciate it. Thank you so much. Have a good one.